Presenting the Speedotrack 4G AI dashcam, a smart solution that keeps both the road and your cabin secure. Its road-facing camera records every moment on the road, while the detachable cabin-facing camera captures everything happening inside the cabin. That means complete front and cabin monitoring in a single device. But the Speedotrack 4G AI dashcam is much more than just a recording device. It detects harsh acceleration, harsh braking, and sharp turns, helping you improve your driver's driving behaviour and enhance fleet safety. If an accident or any unsafe driving event occurs, the Speedotrack 4G AI dashcam automatically records the event and uploads the video to the cloud through 4G connectivity, giving you instant access. And installation? It's incredibly simple. Just mount the detachable cabin camera on the windshield. With advanced ADAS technology, the system warns drivers in advance about forward collisions, lane departures, and pedestrian detection. Inside the cabin, the AI-powered driver monitoring system, DMS, detects fatigue, distraction, mobile phone usage, smoking, yawning, and seatbelt violations. With 4G, Wi-Fi, and GPS connectivity,
Ramesh, there's heavy traffic ahead. Ramesh, there's heavy traffic ahead.
Copy. I will take the next route.